So today we're reviewing gloves that will protect your hands from extreme heat, such as in the kitchen, around the oven or stove, as well as for use on the barbecue. So initially, they are nice because they can be worn on either your left hand or your right hand. They go nicely up your arm to protect well above your wrist. And of course, there are two of them. That is definitely nice. So what we're going to do is head over to the oven and pull some bread out of the oven. So here we are testing out with the oven. We have some bread coming out of the oven. They work really well, protecting your arms from the hot surfaces of the oven as you pull it out. So you should check these out.